Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to permanently delete your Google account, and this will just delete your associated Gmail accounts as well. It will delete all the Google information associated with your account. So pretty big deal, guys. You want to really make sure you know what you're doing before you do this, because you do not want to delete it unless you actually want to delete it. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And you can just go ahead and sign into your Google account, whether you're on YouTube or Gmail, it doesn't really matter. There should be a user icon in the top right, and you want to just go ahead and select that. Select where it says Google account. On the left side, select Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom of this page. At the bottom of the page, under More Options, select the Delete Your Google Account option, and then it'll walk you through the steps. I'm not going to delete my account, but it'll delete your entire account and data. So your Gmail account, any Google services you're connected with, it will remove them. You will not be able to get them back. So just keep that in mind. It's kind of, like I said, a big deal, and that's all you really need to do. Just follow along with the steps. I think there is a 30-day window you can reactivate the account if you delete it. But again, just make sure you're confident that you do not want to have your Google account anymore. And that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.